Do you know that you can meet human needs without compromising nature's abilities to meet the needs of the coming generations? Well, this video provides the answer. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. There exist 9 human needs people have to satisfy in their lives. The ways to meet them is the issue of concern. The needs are subject to this discussion. Number 1, subsistence. Everyone needs food, shelter, and water. These examples represent the subsistence needs. Number 2, protection. These needs include social security, a safe living environment, and a healthy living. Number 3, participation. These needs entail the abilities or art of making decisions about our lives. Number 4, idleness. We need enough time to always relax. Number 5, affection. These needs entails the love and care from our friends and relatives. Number 6, understanding. These needs include learning and meditating. Number 7, creation. Inventing, designing, or developing innovations represent these needs. Number 8, identity. A sense of belonging and being aware of personal attributes. Number 9, freedom. Being in control of how we should live our lives. So, how do we meet these needs without sustainability challenges in our lives? 1. Change of perspectives. Can we change the way we satisfy our food need without causing pollution? This is possible to not only this need, but also the rest. 2. Rely on synergistic satisfiers. These are measures that result in satisfaction of more than one need. It can be applicable in fulfilling freedom, identity, and other needs with a reduced negative impact in the environment. These considerations will lead to changing the way we think and operate to meet our daily needs through sustainable ways. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for subsequent videos.